Hello, are you ready to learn English? In today's video, we are going to learn English with my dogs. So these are my dogs. So this is Bobby and this is Ash, and they're going to help us. They're going to help us learn English today. Bobby is a dog. He is a Labrador and he has fur. This is fur. Labrador's fur, it comes out, so he sheds. When hair comes off, that is called shedding. So Labradors shed hair, so you find hair all over the carpet. Now, look over here, Bobby. So this is Bobby's head. We have his head, his ears. He's got flappy ears. Show them your eyes. Bobby has black eyes, a nose, whiskers. These are whiskers, and his mouth. This is his neck, and his back. So Bobby likes to jump up high. There is his tummy, his legs. He has 4 legs, 2 paws, and a tail. This is Bobby's tail. So right now he is sitting on my knee. His ears, eyes, nose, mouth, whiskers, neck and back, and he is shedding lots of hair. And Bobby is 2 years old, so he's only a toddler. He's 2 years old. His favorite thing to do is to go for walks and runs out in the field. He loves running and going for walks. He's really just a big baby. He's sitting on my knee at the minute, so he is a big dog baby and he's super cute. And he has yellow, so he's a yellow Labrador, and he's very muscly. Look at his muscles. He's so strong. Those are his back legs. Now this is Ash. Ash is a Springer Spaniel and he is a little bit older. He is 6 years old and he is very handsome. He's a handsome dog and he is so soft. He is super soft. He doesn't shed, so he loves hugging. Ash is a dog that loves to hug. So he is white and brown, and he has curly he has curly brown ears and his tail is wagging. Ash, his tail is wagging, so he's getting excited. Those are his teeth. Your teeth are coming out, Ash. He's getting excited because he wants to go for a walk. Do you want to go for a walk? So right now he is sitting. He is such a good boy. He has a brown nose, brown eyes, a mouth, curly ears. He has curly hair. Look at that. Curly ears and a curly white chest. Oh, he's having an itch. You itchy? So Ash is having an itch at the minute. He is itching his tummy. And Ash has brown spots. Brown spots and wavy or curly brown ears. And spots on his legs. And a lovely white fan tail. Ready for your walk, Ash? He wants to go for a walk now. I also have a cat. Oh, he doesn't want to be held. This is Georgie the cat, and he is not friends with the dogs. He does not like the dogs. You can smell them. The dogs are outside at the minute. The dogs are outside. Georgie, come here. Georgie is a ginger cat. He has Ginger hair, this is tail. A tabby cat is a cat that has this design, this 2-color design with the stripes. And he has white paws, and whisker. He has pointy ears, tail, and he has whiskers. Georgie likes to rub up and down, and he is purring. He is purring at the minute. Georgie likes to rub his body. Now, we also have chickens, so I'm going to show you the chickens now and talk about the chickens. This is the chicken coop. There are 4 chickens and 1 cockerel. 2 grey speckled hens and 2 white Sussex. There's the cockerel, or the rooster. Cockerel in UK, British English, and rooster in American English. And they have little beaks, wings, 2 legs, 2 chicken legs. Oh, there's his wings are flapping, and his tail, look at his tail. Magnificent tail, and he is a colourful rooster. Let's see if there are any eggs. Oh, there is 1 egg. We have an egg. The egg has been laid. So that is the best part of having chickens, is that you get an egg. The best part about having chickens is getting the egg, and then you can make your breakfast with the egg. And Ash loves the chickens, don't you? But you are not allowed to see them. Ash loves looking at the chickens. Who's in there? He gets very excited when he gets to see them, and he likes to watch them. Very exciting. Ash, what do you think? Ash, come on. Oh, he is shining in the light. Right, run. Go. Go. He is very excited. Remember in my last video I said lots of trees fell down. So this is all the wood that fell from the tree. So there is a lot of cutting that needs to be done with the axe. Now they are going for a run in the field. Ash, are you happy? Very happy dog. Bobby? It's a lovely sunny day. Bit windy, but at least the sky is blue and there is sun. So the dogs are going for a run in the fields. Look at these beautiful pink flowers, and there is a bee. Oh, lots of bees, 2 bees buzzing in the flowers. In the sun. They have wings, they are collecting pollen. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned lots of English. I hope you enjoyed, and you learned more about animals, dogs, cats, and chickens. Let me know in the comments, do you have a pet? Do you have a dog, a cat, hamster, maybe a fish, or a cat? What pet do you have, or what is your favorite animal? Or do you have chickens? So I'll see you later. Bye.